This brand right here, Les Fleurs Du Golfe, is arguably the cheapest niche brand that you can ever find. Let's unwrap and unbox these two babies right here and let's see if they're any good, okay? Stay tuned after this intro. What is going on, guys, and welcome again to another video. I have two babies that I have never smelled yet, and I just want to do the honor in front of you guys, do the unboxing and first impressions for arguably to be the cheapest niche brand based in Paris from France. It calls Les Fleurs Du Golfe, and I have two fragrances right here. One is called Bakara Vani. This one for 50 ml costs $73. This is really cheap for being niche, okay? And the other one called Cherry of Cashmere, and this one costs for 50 ml as well $110. Again, for being niche, that's a great price, but not being niche, that means it's good. So it's gonna unwrap these two babies right here. It's gonna have a first impressions. If they're good, they're good. If they're not good, they're not good. Let's just try with the cheapest one, which is Bakara Vani. I'm just assuming this is kind of like Bakara Rouge 540 from Maison Francis Kurkdjian. I'm just assuming that with added vanilla. I could be totally off. I'm using my scissor right here just to unbox these two babies. Actually, the packaging is great for being inexpensive, okay? So let's just do that. Hopefully, honestly, I don't want to have another Bakara Rouge clone. I'm hoping for this one just to be a fragrance on its own, okay? But let's just see, for $73 for 50 mls, you just can't go wrong. The bottle is beautiful too. Look at this packaging as well with the cap. It just clicks into place and you can just grab the bottle from the cap. It's really heavy and sturdy. Okay, I'm loving the packaging so far. So let's just smell Bakara Vani, okay? Okay, this one is nice. I really like this one. It doesn't smell anything like Bakara Rouge 540, which is, I am glad. It's more like vanilla and floral, like white florals. Definitely more on the white florals to me. It smells great. It's definitely got that vanilla aspects into it. Definitely sweet. This could lean a little feminine over masculine in my honest opinion so far out of the first impressions, just because of that floral nuances that are big in here. But let's just see when it dries down a little bit and let's see if it's gonna get any more masculine, okay? Let's just move to the other one, Cherry of Cashmere. I'm really excited for this one right here, just because first of all, I love cashmere smell and fragrances, and also I love cherry. So let's just see how they're gonna actually make that happen in this inexpensive niche brand, okay? I really like the boxes here. They are great as well, and for the price you just can't go wrong with it. A bottle is beautiful. I love the color. It's kind of like what is it, like purple, kind of like between purple and pink in a way. Beautiful color. And now let's just smell it and see if it's any good. I'm really excited for this one. Sprayers are good too. Okay, this is definitely my favorite out of the two. This is beautiful. I can definitely pick up cherries. I can definitely pick up floral nuances here as well. But I find this one to be unisex opposed to the other one so far. I'm just gonna re-smell him afterwards and see if I changed my mind. But this one is beautiful. Definitely, you're just gonna pick up that cherry vibe here is big with some floral and some vanilla. It's definitely sweet, but it's not as sweet as this one. This one is beautiful, guys. This one I can find it to be very unisex. Women would love this one, and men You have to try before you buy. I'm being honest here, but it's good, okay? If you are a macho man, want your woody based fragrances, maybe the floral nuances here, it's not gonna be your best bet. But if you're just a metrosexual like most of us, frag heads, this one is totally acceptable. I can wear this one, no problem at all. This one is very springy. I just love the white florals here combined with the fruits. It's just beautiful, okay? I really enjoy and like this one right here. Ginger, stop it, stop it. Stop it, Ginger. Okay, before we end this video, let's just smell Bakara Vani one more time. And first of all, you see how shiny that is? I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but this is extrait de parfum. So this is the strongest when it comes to oil concentrations, and it's very oily. They're both strong. Honestly, I can just really smell them in the air like big, and kind of like I smell a lot of vanilla and florals. This one is very acceptable right now for being unisex. It's not as floral as it used to be when you first spray it on. It's still floral, okay? But it's kind of like subdued, and it's acceptable to be worn by a man right now. It's beautiful. I really like it. Bakara Vani. It's beautiful. Let's smell again the Cashmere. My favorite is the Cashmere. The Cashmere's got a bubble gum effect, probably coming from the cherry, and that gives somewhat of a bubble gummy effect. Bubble gummy and floral at the same time. It's beautiful, okay? Performance, I can tell it's big on those two fragrances right here. So I highly encourage you guys to give it a shot, okay? I'm just gonna leave links down below to their website. I'm just gonna do another video on those two fragrances in Arabic on my fragrance channel in Arabic. If you speak Arabic, I'm just gonna leave links to my Arabic channel down below. Go follow me and subscribe to my Arabic channel, because they told me that this brand is big in the Middle East. So that's why I'm just wanna open the insight for a Middle Eastern people toward this brand, and let's see if they like it or not, okay? Let me know in the comment section down below, have you tried any of this brand, Les Princes du Golfe, Les Fleurs du Golfe. There's one called Les Princes du Golfe, and there's one called Les Fleurs du Golfe, okay? So, have you tried any of this brand before? If you did so, please let me know in the comment section down below. But these are very pretty. If you are into fruity floral fragrances, these are for you. If not, for women, those will be great, okay? And especially that for the bottle itself, and for the packaging, and for the price, and for the performance so far, it's great. So this is it, guys. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. I'm just gonna leave links down below. So follow me, and like and subscribe. And my goal for this video is 70,000 million likes, okay? That nothing less than that. Follow my Arabic channel as well. I'm gonna do a review on those two fragrances once I just get a grasp of how do they smell like, performance and everything. I'm just gonna do a review on this channel as well in the future, so stay tuned for that. See you guys next time. Peace.